Hey guys, what's up? Let's look at some coordinating conjunctions. We have the FanBoys. Now these are the secret to fluency because they help you link your sentences. So what are the FanBoys? Well, the three most common are and, but, and so. But then we also have for, nor, or, and yet. And let's look how we can use these. So first let's look at and, which shows similarity. You can use this in the word, phrase, and clause level. For example, I have a dog and a cat. She speaks German and French. Now you can also do it at the phrase level. I have a TV in the kitchen and in my room. So you're linking two phrases. Or, I like to run in the park and by the lake. Now usually when you think of and for a coordinating conjunction, you think of clause. A clause, you have one sentence, another sentence, boop, you put together. For example, he works for a company and he has a cafe. Now notice the little comma, so you need a comma to separate them. Also, and is lowercase, it's not capitalized. Here's another example. She teaches math and she teaches Spanish. So that's and. How about but? So but is contrasting ideas. For example, word level. It's cloudy but warm. The class was fun but difficult. Maybe my class is fun but difficult. I hope it's fun. Then we have phrase level. Phrase. I live by the lake but away from the beach. Now often in the phrase level you will put a comma because it's just easier for the reader to know that you're separating two ideas. Here's another phrase. The gym is open at night, but not on holidays. Now the clause level, two sentences. He is smart, but he is very lazy. I bought a new computer, but it is slow. So now let's look at so. Now so, check this out. Boop, 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 boop. That's right. We don't use so to show cause and effect for a word or phrase because we use so for other meanings, right? Like it's so hot. So that's a different meaning, so we don't use it. We only use it for the clause level, and we have, it was cold, so I put on a jacket. I have a test, so I have to study for it. Okay, now also, let's go next. We have or, so you have two related options. You could use it at the word level. You can have coffee or tea. We usually play either futsal or basketball. Now here, notice either is not necessary. You actually don't need to use it. You could say, we usually play futsal or basketball. We usually play either futsal or basketball. We will talk about either in correlative conjunctions in another video. Phrase level, you can come on Saturday or on Sunday. The keys are on either the sofa or the table. Now, warning, burp, 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 advanced grammar alert. Now notice here, either comes after the preposition. So if it becomes after the preposition, whoop, you don't have to put the preposition here. But if, or here, there's no either, and so you're going to have to say both prepositions. Now, we can come either on Saturday or Sunday, boop, is okay. You can come on Saturday or on Sunday or Sunday. I guess both would be okay, but usually you say both phrases. Okay, so for the clause, you can drive or you can walk. She will call you or she will send you an email. Now we also have nor. So nor, you have two negative, a negative and a negative together. So for example, it's not cheap nor easy to find. Some food is neither tasty nor healthy. So on the phrase level, I don't work on weekends nor on holidays. So again, we have negative, negative. So negative, negative. So the second negative, you can just put nor. It's not sold in stores nor at the market. Again, first negative, second negative, you just use nor. Okay, clause. I cannot drive, nor can I sing. Now here we have one interesting thing. We switch. So I can sing. So I cannot dance, I cannot sing, I cannot dance, nor can I sing. We also have he does not smoke, nor does he drink. Again, we reverse the subject and the auxiliary verb. Okay, just a few more. So for For means because. Very easy. And again, boop, 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 boop. We don't use it at the word or phrase level because for is a preposition. It has other uses. So we only use for as a coordinating conjunction at the clause level. So for example, we left early for it was getting dark. Now this is the same as we left early because it was getting dark. Or he dropped the class for it was too hard. Now, one thing about for, we usually only use for an action in the past that explains something we did. Okay, so again, we use for an action usually in the past to explain why we did something. All right, the next one we have yet. Yet is but, oh, surprise! So, for example, this new phone is powerful, yet inexpensive. So usually a powerful phone is expensive, it's powerful yet inexpensive. It's kind of a contrast and a surprise. Cricket looks fun yet complicated, right? So it looks fun, but usually something that's fun is not complicated. Phrase level, we normally don't use yet in the phrase level. There might be sometimes, but I could not think of one, so it's not that common, so let's not worry about it. But we got it in the clause level. He is rich, yet he never spends money, right? So that doesn't make sense. You're rich, you would spend money. Or the test was easy, yet we all failed it. Right? So if the test is easy, you should pass, or some people should pass. Not everybody would fail it. So that would be a contrast and a surprise. And that is it. Those are your coordinating conjunctions, your fanboys. Thanks for listening. And as always, study hard.